Behind us, he was moving, is making his way down at a rapid speed, a terminal velocity of some 120 miles per hour. At a predetermined altitude, he pulled on a small leather ball located at his left hip and deployed the high-flying canopy as we prepare, as we officially open today's show.
I got him.
Jim began skydiving in 1989 and has more than 1,400 parachute jumps. In addition to the flying circus biplanes, other ordinary aircraft he's had the chance to leap from, he's also jumped from helicopters, a Boeing 727 jet, and even a bomb bay of a door of a World War II B-17 bomber.
Yeah. Yeah.
In 1995, Jim even had the opportunity to jump at the North Pole, where he reports the weather was quite chilly, and today he's a research engineer with more than 20 U.S. patents to his name.
Wow. Must be gear for skydiving. Wow, I can barely keep him in.
You will see skydivers on TV performing some of the greatest kinds of skydiving there is. And of course, here today we have the chance to see Jim Sherfiti as he makes his way down. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are within the sound of my voice, if you are able, if you would please stand and remove your caps as we present our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallant.